In this example, I've set up a document and I'm going to go through how to use and why to use style sheets. So here I've created a simple InDesign book. This is the Lewis Carroll Through the Looking Glass, and I've already created my style sheets. So I'll go up to Type and Paragraph Styles. And there are two types of style sheets, paragraph styles and character styles. And I'm just going to click off everything, make sure no text box is selected. And you can see I've already created some style sheets: subheading, body, table of contents, heading, and character styles, keywords, highlight, and URL. Basically, these are templates for your text. So if I double click on heading, for example, you can go through all these options and say all my headings are going to be whichever font, whatever size. And I can go through scaling, indent, spacing, tabs, hyphenation, justification, all this sort of stuff. And I can set all this off for all my style sheets. Character style sheets are a bit simpler. Double click, here we go. Character color is quite useful. So you can see there's fewer options. How do you use them? Basically, paragraph styles apply to the paragraph. So if I find a chapter heading, for example, here we go. Chapter 1, double click into it, click on it, and it's got heading applied. And all I have to do is click on whichever one I want, and it will apply all those settings to that paragraph. If I want to highlight something in a different color or a different format within a paragraph, that's where the character styles come in. And you can see that's changed there. Why is this useful? Well, once you've set them up, once you've gone through and checked that all your paragraph styles, all your character styles are applied properly, formatted properly, if you then decide to change all your heading styles, all you have to do is change the paragraph style, and I'm going to change it to a different size, for example. I'll put preview on, increase it, and you can see the heading changes. Now, everything's changing here, and I'll do OK, and that's because if I go to body, it's based on TOC, and I will do it based on no paragraph style, and I'll go back and set it back to 12. Paragraph styles can relate to other paragraph styles, and I'll go back to heading, go back to basic character formats, and there you go. Now it's only changing the heading. So once you've applied them, changing them in your paragraph styles panel or character styles panel means globally everything that you've applied using that style will then change and update. And that's much easier for you to work with. It's very quick and very useful. The other reason to use paragraph styles is InDesign can use the paragraph styles to automatically generate a table of contents, and that's very handy as well. And when you export them as a PDF, for example, they can always turn up as links, so I can click on chapter 9 and it will go to the page in the PDF where chapter 9 starts. And that's basically paragraph styles and character styles. They're very powerful. There's a lot more there. There's a lot of options there, but that's the basics of how and why to use them.